Hi, I'm Kimberly King-Spone. I am the director of Wellstar Center for Genetics. I'm a board-certified genetic counselor, and today we're going to talk about the option of ordering genetic testing off the internet, direct-to-consumer genetic testing, versus genetic testing that you might receive through your healthcare provider or genetics professional. So recently, direct-to-consumer genetic testing, or testing you might be able to order off the internet, has made the news. People have learned that you could get genetic testing information about, for example, your risk for breast and ovarian cancer, and that's exciting, but it could be confusing. There are lots of different companies that offer genetic testing that you can order online and have it sent to your house. They will send you a kit. You spit into a tube and send it back to them. When we look at the comparison of tests that we might order in our office versus what you might receive yourself through one of these direct-to-consumer companies, there's some concerns. One of them is the difference of quality. The levels of information and standards that a laboratory might need to meet for our testing purposes is very different than what you might be able to find if you order testing yourself. This is new technology. We don't know where it will take us in the future, and long-term ramifications related to other types of insurance or employment, discrimination, long-term care, we have no idea how this information might impact us 20 years from now. So if you're thinking about doing genetic testing, there are things that you should consider. You should read the fine print. You should think about what this information means for your future. You should think about whether this is information you would like to have, whether it might cause you more stress or not, and understand that it's not the whole story and that you should still be actively participating in your health care in other ways.